For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video to more easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. Starting an Amazon FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, business can be a lucrative venture, especially with the power of artificial intelligence, AI, tools streamlining your operations. Amazon FBA allows you to sell products without worrying about storage, packaging, or shipping, as Amazon handles that for you. When combined with AI, this business model becomes even more scalable and efficient. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to launch a successful Amazon FBA business using AI. Step 1. Understand the Amazon FBA business model. Before diving in, it's important to grasp how Amazon FBA works. You find or create a product to sell. You send the inventory to Amazon's fulfillment centers. Amazon stores, packs, and ships your product when someone orders. Amazon handles customer service and returns. AI can support this model by helping you find the right product, analyze data, optimize listings, and even manage ads. Step 2. Use AI to conduct product research. Choosing the right product is key. AI tools can analyze thousands of listings to help identify profitable, low-competition niches. AI tools to use. Jungle Scout/Helium-10. These tools use AI algorithms to identify high-demand, low-competition products and show estimated monthly sales. ChatGPT. Ask for product ideas based on market trends and seasonal shifts. E.g., give me 10 product ideas for Amazon FBA under $25 that are trending in the U.S. Google Trends plus AI analysis. Use AI to interpret trend graphs and predict product popularity cycles. Tips. Target products priced between $15 to $50 for better margins. Avoid patented or restricted items. Aim for lightweight and easy-to-ship items to reduce shipping fees. Step 3. Analyze competition with AI. Use AI-powered tools to study your competitors. Seller App uses machine learning to analyze competitors' listings, keywords, pricing, and reviews. ChatGPT prompt example. Analyze the top 5 competitors in your product niche on Amazon. What are their strengths and weaknesses? Key aspects to compare. Product ratings and reviews. Keywords used in listings. Price points and shipping options. Step 4. Source your product with AI assistance. Once you have a product idea, you need to find a supplier, typically via Alibaba or similar platforms. AI help. Use ChatGPT or Notion AI to draft outreach messages to suppliers. Use Alibaba AI suggestions to find verified and top-rated manufacturers based on filters like MOQ, minimum order quantity, price, and location. Checklist. Order samples before committing to bulk. Negotiate pricing and production timelines. Ensure the product complies with Amazon's regulations. Step 5. Create an AI-optimized Amazon listing. Your product listing must be keyword-rich and persuasive to convert visitors into buyers. AI tools. ChatGPT/copy.ai/jasper.ai. Generate compelling product titles, bullet points, and descriptions optimized for SEO. Helium-10 Scribbles. AI-powered listing builder that ensures you're using the most relevant keywords. Canva AI. Design product images or infographics. Listing must include keyword-optimized product title, 5 benefit-driven bullet points, high-resolution images including lifestyle shots, clear product description, A+ content if brand registered. Step 6. Optimize keywords and SEO with AI. Proper keyword targeting will boost your product's visibility on Amazon search engine. A9. Tools to use. Helium-10 Keyword Tracker tracks your product's rankings in real time. ZonGuru or Data Dive. AI tools that suggest high-ranking keywords competitors are using. ChatGPT prompt example. Generate a list of long-tail keywords related to product for Amazon SEO. Update and A/B test keywords regularly to improve discoverability. Step 7. Manage inventory using AI forecasting. Avoid stockouts or overstocking by predicting demand. AI tools. SoStocked, AI inventory management tool that forecasts restocking needs. Inventory Lab predicts future demand and gives restock alerts based on sales data. AI Benefits prevents losing your buy box due to stock issues. Helps with cash flow management. Step 8. Launch your product using AI-driven marketing. Use AI to drive targeted traffic to your Amazon listing during your launch phase. Marketing tools. ChatGPT plus Facebook/Google ad AI tools. Generate compelling ad copy and audience targeting strategies. Perpetua/Quartile AI ad optimization tools that manage Amazon PPC campaigns, auto-adjusting bids for best ROI. Influencer AI platforms, e.g., Upfluence. Discover and reach out to micro-influencers who can promote your product. Marketing channels to use. Amazon PPC, sponsored products. Social media ads, email list, and influencer marketing. Step 9. Automate customer service with AI. Providing excellent customer service is critical for reviews and seller ratings. AI customer support tools. ChatDesk or Zendesk AI automates responses to customer queries. Amazon's buyer-seller messaging. Use AI to auto-respond to FAQs or thank customers. ChatGPT prompt example. Write a friendly thank you email and ask for a product review 7 days after delivery. Step 10. Monitor and scale with AI analytics. Once your store is live, use AI tools to monitor sales, reviews, customer behavior, and ad performance. AI dashboards. Manage by stats, all-in-one analytics dashboard powered by AI insights. Seller board. Real-time profit and loss tracking using AI predictions. What to track? Conversion rates. Advertising ROI. Inventory turnover rate. Customer feedback trends. Use AI to suggest areas of optimization, new product lines, or when to restock. Conclusion. Starting an Amazon FBA business doesn't have to be overwhelming. AI tools can eliminate much of the guesswork, optimize your decisions, and help you scale faster than ever before. From product research to customer service, AI is your silent partner every step of the way. As long as you approach your Amazon FBA journey with data-driven decisions and automation, you'll not only compete, but thrive in one of the world's largest marketplaces. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.